Welcome back to Eye in the Sky Drones. We do drone news, DJI news, and all tech related news. Today we're looking at the Action 4. I know this camera's been out a little while, but we're going to take a look at it, dive right in, and see what this little thing can do. So when we're looking at action cameras, there are a few competitors on the market. Of course, we have GoPro. We have DJI, who has jumped into action. They are now in their 4th iteration, and it has the DJI Action 4. Sit back and take a look and see if this is the right action camera for you. So here we have the Action 4, and this is the box it comes in. And the first thing you want to notice about it is just the size of the box. It's a small, relatively small box, about the same size like an AirPod box. And then they even wrapped it classic DJI fashion, sort of mimicking the way Apple wraps their products. And here we have the actual Action 4, and by looking at this guy, you can see it is tiny. But of course, if you want an action camera, you want to be small, non-intrusive. So if you want to go skiing, hiking, running, anything, it's got to be something small that you can clip to an accessory or take with you, or if you're going swimming, taking the water with you. And this guy really fits the bill of being this very small form factor. As you can see, the box is already small, but this thing really didn't take up much of the box room at all. We got the standard combo, has a few extra goodies in there, but I just wanted you to really look at the size of this guy. It's a real small action cam. So in the next few clips, we're going to see what type of footage that this little action cam can produce. I know it has a few extra features on it to help stabilize everything, and we're going to see how well those features work out. So here we have the action cam using rock steady, and I'm running and I'm walking, and it's keeping everything stable, so you get to see exactly how well this camera does. It keeps everything level. They have other options such as Horizon Level and Rock Steady Plus, but this is just Rock Steady, and you can see how crisp and clear this footage is and what this action cam can really produce. All right, signing off from Eye in the Sky Drones. As always, be safe and have fun flying.